Hello, this is Richard Wald, and this is part 2 of the Anorexia Nervosa PowerPoint presentation. The article I chose is from the Journal of Psychiatric Research and was published in 2015. The researchers in the article wanted to see if the criteria changes in the DSM-5 would lead to more women being diagnosed with anorexia compared to the definitions and symptoms listed in the DSM-4. The sample came from Europe, and a large group of women were studied. The women completed questionnaires and assessments. The researchers found that 60% more women would be diagnosed with anorexia using the DSM-5 definitions and characteristics compared to the DSM-4 definitions. The researchers were not surprised by this, and if anything, were looking to see what would cause more of an increase in the diagnosis of anorexia. The researchers believe the changes made to the DSM-5, 3 of the main ones being on the PowerPoint, had a lot to do with more women being diagnosed with anorexia. One of the main ones being the weight loss was revised, the definition, and BMI was tinkered with a little bit as well. The changes were made so that more people, the authors believe, the researchers believe, the changes were made so that more people would be diagnosed with anorexia and not left in a separate category of undiagnosed eating disorders. The authors believe that if the population that was diagnosed with, if they were diagnosed with anorexia, they may be able to receive more help since they have a more defined diagnosis. The authors also found out that more people were diagnosed with anorexia later in life compared to earlier in life. Also, I found national web resources that could help anyone who is dealing with or suffering from anorexia nervosa. The first one is the National Association of Anorexia Nervosa and Associated Disorders. The next one is the National Eating Disorders Association. And the last one is the Eating Disorder Hope Foundation organization that has helped a lot of people in the past. I've learned a lot from doing this PowerPoint, this presentation about anorexia, and I learned a lot about how the DSM can make a big difference in the diagnosis or just trying to see where someone falls. It's been a very interesting process. Thank you.